Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferinta Asika. I'm from Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University. Let me present the result of the class action research with the teacher. The effect of learning with board game media on the learning motivation of grade 5 student of Pacar Elementary School in Mathematics. First, background. As a result of observation in class and interview with class teacher during learning mathematics subject, some students look less enthusiastic in learning and easily discouraged when working on problem. During group discussion activities, not all students are actively involved in discussion. The result of the observation and interview showed that the students of grade 5 of Pacar State Elementary School had low motivation to learn mathematics subject. Student learning motivation is one of the factors that can affect student learning achievement. With motivation, students will learn more diligently, tenaciously, and have full concentration in the learning process. Fostering student learning motivation by using learning media. Learning media in the teaching and learning process can allow the desired interest and motivation to learn, as well as stimulate learning activities. According to Ismail, learning while playing is one of the efforts in conveying material to children by playing or in a fun way, so that children unknowingly gain knowledge and experience from an easy learning process. Play is a children's word, so learning while playing is an effective way to make math learning more interesting. One of the game media that can be used in learning mathematics is board game. The snake and the ladder game media is a media that resembles a snake and ladder game, but sometimes contain question and challenge where each player must answer the question or carry out the challenge in order to continue the game. The snake and the ladder game aims to make students happy to participate in learning and motivate in learning. And the next method, participant and contact. The place of this research was at Pacar State Elementary School. The time for this research is in September of the 2024 or 2025 school year. The target of the research was class 5 of Pacar State Elementary School. The population in this study is class 5 of Pacar Elementary School, which amounted to 21 people. The sample determination technique used in non-probability sampling, which is a saturated sampling technique. Saturated sampling is where all members of the population are sampled because the population is relatively small, only 21 people. Material. The instrument used to determine the fluid influence of the use of snake and ladder game media on learning motivation in mathematics class 5 of Pacar Elementary School is in the form of an observation sheet accompanied by an assessment rubric. The observation sheet used content motivational indicator to be observed, statement to be observed, and the acquisition of score for each student. Data collection and analysis. The technique used in this study is observation. According to Arikunto, in using the observation method, the most effective way is to complement in with a format of blank observation as an instrument. Based on this, the research made an observation sheet that has parameters in each aspect of the observation and has an assessment scale. The data analysis technique carried out in this study are quantitative and qualitative data analysis. According to Arikunto, state that the division of learning motivation categories is given in table 1. The next, research and discussion. In the implementation of pre-cycle action, teacher use a one-way learning strategy. Teacher observes student learning motivation by making observation directly in the classroom using observation sheet. During the learning process, the average learning motivation of students before applying snake and ladder game media was 55% with less criteria. Cycle, the research was carried out through 4 series: planning, action, observation, and reflection. In the implementation of the first cycle action, the teacher used the snake and ladder game media in mathematics learning on number multiple material. Students are divided into 5 groups consisting of 4 until 5 students. Some of the snake and ladder game tiles contain question. If stopped on the square, then the student must answer the question first, after which they can continue the game. During the learning process, the average learning motivation of students after applying snake and ladder was 70% with good criteria. In the second cycle, the researcher added that there was a variety of challenge in each style in the game media. If previously it only contained question, in the second cycle the researcher provided additionally challenge and prize. In the implementation of the second cycle action, teachers use snake and ladder game media in learning mathematics on number factor material. Students are divided into 5 groups of 4 until 5 students. If students stop at the style containing question or challenge, then student must answer the question first and then can continue the game. During the learning process, the average learning motivation of students after applying snake and ladder game media is 72% with good criteria. The following is comparison of student learning motivation in pre-cycle, cycle, and cycle. During teaching and learning activities using snake and ladder game media, it was seen that students were more active, enthusiastic, and serious in working on the problem in the game. And the last conclusion, the result of student learning motivation before applying the snake and ladder game media were 55% with less criteria, and the result of student learning motivation after playing the snake and ladder game media in cycle first was 70% with good criteria, and the cycle second was 72% with good criteria. It can be concluded that student learning motivation has increased, and there is an influence of the use of snake and ladder game media on student learning motivation. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.